Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my 4 summer must-haves for on-the-go mommies, quick and easy. First, I start with the UV Expert Aqua Gel Defense 50 sunscreen. It's a primer, moisturizer, and sunscreen all in one formula. I'm just going to rub this in. It's so lightweight, absorbs seamlessly, and it leaves an invisible finish. You can't even see it. Next, I'm going to use the all-over concealer. I like to use 2 different colors. I have a 320 and 330, one for all over blemishes and one for under eye concealing for my dark circles because I'm always tired. I'm just putting it under my eye, and I am using the other one. I have like a couple of blemishes I like to cover like that. I have a sponge. I'm just gonna blend it in. It gives a nice full coverage. It's sweat resistant and gives a nice matte finish. Next, I'm gonna use this Skin Feels Good. It's a hydrating skin tint. It'll just even out my skin tone. I'll pump it on my skin, just a few. It gives such a nice dewy finish for the summer. Perfect for the makeup, no makeup look. Lastly, I'm going to finish it off with the Adol perfume from Lancome. Looks like this. Perfect to finish off your summer look. Smell good. It's super floral and perfect for the summer. And now I am ready to go.